Arthritis can be a painful and debilitating condition. But did you know that what you eat can play a significant role in managing those symptoms? Many people are surprised to learn that certain foods possess natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve arthritis pain. By incorporating these surprising ingredients into your diet, you can take a proactive approach to your health. In this video, we'll explore some delicious and unexpected foods that may help ease your discomfort. Embracing a diet rich in these natural remedies not only supports your joint health, but also enhances your overall well-being. So if you're looking for effective ways to manage arthritis without relying solely on medication, stick around as we uncover the power of food in your fight against pain. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. Research has shown that curcumin can significantly reduce joint inflammation, making it a valuable ally for those suffering from arthritis. By inhibiting inflammatory markers in the body, curcumin helps alleviate pain and improve mobility. Incorporating turmeric into your daily meals is easy. You can add it to soups, smoothies, or even sprinkle it on roasted vegetables. For an extra boost, consider making a turmeric latte or golden milk. Scientific studies have highlighted turmeric's effectiveness in managing arthritis symptoms, with some trials showing notable improvements in pain and function. So, why not embrace this vibrant spice and enhance your meals while supporting your joint health? Fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their remarkable ability to reduce joint stiffness and pain associated with arthritis. These healthy fats work by decreasing inflammation in the body, leading to improved mobility and comfort. For optimal benefits, aim to consume fatty fish at least 2 to 3 times a week. If you're not a fan of fish, don't worry. There are plenty of alternative sources of omega-3, including flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Additionally, consider incorporating algae-based supplements, which provide a plant-based source of omega-3s. By adding these nutritious options to your diet, you can support your joint health and enjoy a more active lifestyle. Berries are not just delicious, they are also packed with antioxidants that play a crucial role in combating inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key contributors to arthritis. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are particularly rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and protect joint health. To incorporate these vibrant fruits into your diet, try adding them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal, or enjoy them as a refreshing snack on their own. You can also blend them into sauces or dressings for a burst of flavor. Research has shown that regular consumption of berries may be linked to reduced arthritis symptoms, making them a tasty and beneficial addition to your meals. Embrace these antioxidant-rich delights for a healthier, more vibrant life. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are nutrient powerhouses that can significantly support joint health. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, these greens help combat inflammation and promote overall well-being. Including a variety of leafy greens in your diet not only enhances your nutrient intake, but also adds vibrant colors and flavors to your meals. To maximize their benefits, consider lightly steaming or sautéing greens to retain their nutrients, or toss them into smoothies for a nutritious boost. You can also incorporate them into salads, soups, or stir-fries. By making leafy greens a staple in your diet, you can take proactive steps toward reducing arthritis symptoms and improving your joint health. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is often referred to as liquid gold due to its numerous health benefits, especially its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Research suggests that the compounds in extra virgin olive oil can mimic the effects of anti-inflammatory medications, helping to reduce joint pain and stiffness associated with arthritis. To incorporate this healthy fat into your diet, use olive oil as a base for salad dressings, drizzle it over roasted vegetables, or use it for sautéing your favorite dishes. You can also enjoy it as a dip for whole grain bread. Studies have shown that regular consumption of olive oil can lead to significant improvements in arthritis symptoms, making it a delicious and effective addition to your culinary repertoire. Nuts, particularly walnuts and almonds, are small but mighty when it comes to supporting arthritis relief. Packed with healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts and monounsaturated fats in almonds. In addition, these nutrient-dense snacks help to reduce inflammation and promote joint health. Additionally, nuts are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that further contribute to overall well-being. To reap the benefits, consider snacking on a handful of nuts or adding them to salads, oatmeal, or yogurt for an extra crunch. However, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes, as nuts are calorie-dense. A serving size of about 1 ounce or a small handful is ideal to enjoy their health benefits without excessive calorie intake. Embrace these nutritious powerhouses for a healthier lifestyle. In this video, we explored a variety of surprising foods that can help relieve arthritis pain, including turmeric, fatty fish, berries, leafy greens, olive oil, and nuts. Each of these foods offers unique anti-inflammatory properties and essential nutrients that can significantly improve joint health and overall well-being. Incorporating these delicious options into a balanced diet is crucial for managing arthritis symptoms effectively. If you find this information helpful and insightful, we encourage you to please subscribe to our channel for more health tips like this video and share it with family and friends. Together, we can promote a healthier lifestyle and empower each other on the journey to better health. Thank you for watching our video, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.